Okay, what do you got?
We're gonna paint the dogs.
With what? She's like, what's that? Okay, let's go hide it in the couch. Oh, you want that, don't you? Go hide in the couch. But you gotta push the button once in a while. Push the button. Push it again. What is that, Bella? Bella doesn't understand it. She's like, where's my toys? Look at their tails wagging. What is that? What's that, Stella? What is that? What is that? They're like, they don't get it. Oh, I'm sorry. They don't get it. Show them the phone.
It's this. Look.